everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are cooking one of the simplest and most budget-friendly Ghanaian Ampesi recipes. Come along with us as we prepare this wholesome traditional meal.
Namakwaba, yabeba Mankani Ampesi. Ampesi yensinsin. Your friend a cow. See a rosy na hohoro. Ti hohoro ho wia ye de sijaso a ebia see a neti na yi hu. Modi bida. Ni ayenyi hu se no modi bida. Aha, na me ben ya mama hwe. Onhwe se na ye no. Ye na ma ye de betwi mako. Enuni mako nuni. Ntozuni yenjene ni mbibia na wahano. Enti ebe start fabo no mama na me papa wengu.
Ingredients: Cocoyam, that's Mankani, smoked mackerel, Habanero pepper, Momoni or fermented fish, tomatoes, onions, palm oil. Let's get started. Boil the cocoyam. We start by preparing the cocoyam. Without peeling, we wash it thoroughly and place it in a pot. Pour enough water to cover it. Add some salt and set it on a coalpot fire. Cover with a plantain leaf and leave it to cook. Boil the pepper. Add the Habanero pepper to the pot to boil along with the cocoyam. Make the pepper sauce. Once the pepper is soft, remove it and place it in an earthenware bowl. Slice some onions onto it and begin grinding. Add a bit of salt to taste and continue grinding. Prepare the tomatoes and momoni. Next, we lightly roast the tomatoes on the charcoal fire. Take them off and toast the momoni as well. Once done, we add the momoni to the ground pepper and continue grinding. Now, heat the smoked mackerel on the coal pot to warm it up. Add the tomatoes. We grind the roasted tomatoes into the pepper mixture. Prepare the palm oil. Pour some palm oil into a pot and heat it. Slice in some onions and fry briefly. Take it off the fire and pour the hot oil with onions into the pepper mixture. Mix everything together. Add the fish and garnish. Add the warm smoked mackerel and mix thoroughly. Slice in some fresh onions and tomatoes on top as garnish. Serve and enjoy.
God bless the farmer, the cook, the eater, and you watching us.
Our delicious Ampesi is now ready to enjoy. We gather under the mango tree, teaching the little ones how to peel cocoyam before eating. The whole family eats together with joy and laughter. This is one of the traditional meals my great-grandparents used to love. It's healthy, filling, and very easy to make. They stay strong by eating foods like this, and so can you. Try this recipe if you haven't already and thank me later. Everyone enjoying the meal together, smiles all around. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more authentic Ghanaian recipes. See you next time.
Join us if you can. You are to like, share, and leave your comments. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye bye.